Welcome to the path of wealth creation and financial success. Today, we unravel the secrets to becoming a millionaire. In the vast universe of wealth, we unravel the secrets to becoming a millionaire. Wealth creation, there exists a unique constellation, that of the millionaire's mindset. It's not about the glitz and glam, the luxury cars or opulent mansions. It's about the subtle yet powerful shift in perspective that paves the way to financial success. Imagine a seed. Alone, it's unremarkable. But plant it, nurture it, and give it time. It grows into a mighty tree. The same applies to your wealth. It starts as a seed in your mind, an idea, an ambition. The right mindset waters that seed, nurturing it with discipline, perseverance, and a dash of audacity. Being a millionaire isn't merely about having a seven-figure bank account. It's about cultivating an attitude, a millionaire's mindset. It's about dreaming big, but also having the resolve to turn those dreams into reality. It's about daring to step out of your comfort zone, embracing risks, and learning from failures. Think of discipline as your compass, guiding you through the journey to wealth creation. Without discipline, your ambitions are like a ship lost at sea. Discipline keeps you focused, helps you make informed decisions, and steer clear of financial pitfalls. Perseverance, on the other hand, is your unwavering ally, the fuel that keeps your wealth creation engine running. The road to becoming a millionaire is fraught with challenges and setbacks. Perseverance ensures you stay the course, no matter how tough the journey gets. If ambition is the seed, discipline the compass, and perseverance the fuel, then audacity is the spark that lights the fire. It's the audacity to believe in your financial goals, to strive for more, and to never settle for less. So, as we embark on this journey of unraveling the secrets to becoming a millionaire, remember this. It's not just about the money, it's about the millionaire's mindset. It's about a shift in perspective, a commitment to financial success. Remember, the millionaire's journey begins in the mind. It's about a shift in perspective and a commitment to financial success. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of wealth creation, financial knowledge is gold. The ability to navigate the financial landscape is a skill that can propel one to new levels of prosperity. An understanding of how money works is akin to possessing a secret map to hidden treasures. Financial education is not just about knowing the difference between a stock and a bond. It's about understanding the power of compound interest, the significance of a diversified portfolio, and the art of managing finances. The benefits of such knowledge are innumerable. It empowers you to make informed decisions, reduces the risk of financial pitfalls, and ultimately leads to the growth of wealth. The basics of investing are foundational blocks in this journey. Investing wisely, understanding market trends, and being aware of financial risks are all part of this crucial education. Financial literacy is the foundation upon which wealth is built. Equip yourself with the right knowledge. This is your golden ticket on the journey to becoming a millionaire. Making money work for you is the secret sauce to becoming a millionaire. It's all about investing wisely and harnessing the power of compound interest. You see, compound interest is essentially interest on interest. It's a snowball effect where your wealth starts to accumulate faster over time. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience and discipline. There are various ways to invest: stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification spreads your risk across different types of investments. If one doesn't perform well, you're not left high and dry. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. It's about making calculated decisions and adjusting your strategies as you go. Investing is the vehicle that will drive you to your millionaire destination. The wealthy understand that one stream of income is never enough. And why is that, you may ask? Well, think about it this way. A river doesn't just have one source. It's fed by many tributaries, each making their own contribution, enabling the river to flow with strength and consistency. The same principle applies to building wealth. Having multiple income streams is like having your own financial ecosystem. Having multiple income streams is like having your own financial ecosystem. Having could be a mix of a full-time job, a side business, rental income, dividends from investment, could be a mix of or even royalties from a book you've written. The key here is diversification. You're not relying on one source, but multiple, which not only accelerates, you're not relying on one source, but multiple, which not only accelerates, you're not relying on wealth creation, but also acts as a safety net should one stream dry up. Creating passive income, money that comes in without you having to actively work for it, is another smart strategy. This could be through investments, real estate, or creating a digital product. Multiple income streams not only accelerate wealth creation, but also provide financial security. So let's start building these streams, shall we? Successful people have successful habits. The same is true for millionaires. Let's delve into the habits of millionaires that play a pivotal role in amassing wealth. First and foremost, millionaires are savers. They understand the power of compound interest and the importance of putting their money to work for them. This doesn't mean they're miserly. On the contrary, they're strategic about where they allocate their resources. They prioritize saving and investing over frivolous spending, knowing that each dollar saved is a step closer to their financial goals. Next, budgeting. Yes, even millionaires make budgets. They recognize the value of tracking their income and expenses. By keeping a close eye on their financial inflow and outflow, they ensure they're not overspending and are allocating enough towards their savings and investments. It's not about restriction, it's about financial control. Now let's talk about setting financial goals. Millionaires don't amass their wealth by accident. They set clear, measurable financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Whether it's saving a certain amount each month, investing in a new venture, or increasing their net worth by a specific figure, they know where they're heading. Avoiding debt is another crucial habit. Millionaires understand that unnecessary debt can be a significant roadblock on the path to wealth. They avoid high-interest debt like the plague, and if they do borrow, they do so wisely with a clear repayment plan. Lastly, millionaires are lifelong learners. They stay updated with financial news, trends, and skills. They understand that the financial landscape is constantly changing, and to stay ahead, they need to keep learning and adapting. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not an overnight process. It's a result of consistent habits practiced over time. So start cultivating these habits today and set yourself on the path to financial success. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich smart. And that, my friends, is the millionaire's way. Becoming a millionaire is more than just a financial goal. It's a journey of personal growth and financial discipline. It's about adopting the millionaire mindset, understanding that wealth is more than the balance in your bank account. It's about seeking financial education, understanding that wealth is more than the balance in your education, arming yourself with the knowledge to make wise financial decisions. It's about investing wisely, taking calculated risks to grow your wealth. It's about building multiple income streams, not relying on a single source for your financial security. And it's about adopting millionaire habits, because how you spend your time and money today influences your wealth tomorrow. So let's recap. Mindset, education, investing, income streams, and habits. 5 key elements on your path to becoming a millionaire. So, investing, income streams, and habits. 5 key elements on your path to be. Are you ready to embark on this journey to wealth and financial freedom? Start today, and remember, the path to becoming a millionaire is paved with consistent, disciplined steps toward your financial goals. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more insightful.
I present to you 4 Quantum Luxor as a solar